Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you the cleanest and most professional way to add a line above and below your text in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for making titles, headings, or important notes stand out. Let's get straight to it. First, open your Word document. You do not need to highlight the whole sentence. Just click anywhere inside the text you want to format. Next, head up to the ribbon and make sure you are on the Home tab. Look for the paragraph section. You will see an icon that looks like a small window pane. This is the Borders tool. Click the small downward arrow right next to it to open the drop-down menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Borders and Shading. A new window will pop up. Make sure you are on the first tab at the top, labeled Borders. On the left side, under the Setting column, click on Box. This will temporarily put a square border around your text. Since we only want lines on the top and bottom, look at the Preview section on the right side of the window. Click the left border button and the right border button to turn them off. You should now see only the top and bottom lines in the preview box. If you want to customize the look, use the middle section. You can change the line style, pick a new color, or adjust the line width to match your document. Once you are happy with the preview, click OK. And there you have it, a perfectly aligned, professional, lined text block. If this quick tip helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.